So what if things go wrong? So this is a question I think all of us have asked ourselves, especially when we're thinking about doing something that we've never done before. So I've asked myself this same question over the years, taking this entire journey here on YouTube, and just this whole creative lifestyle. But I'll tell you, things did go wrong, but things did go right. And I learned a lot of different things. I've experienced a lot of things, and I'm still doing all those things. And so this is a mindset that really took me a while to actually change and adjust, from going to what if things go wrong to what if things go right. And this is really a hard thing to do, because a lot of times our brain tells us that it's because it's trying to protect us from any harm or bad things happening. And the reality is, bad things could very well happen, and sometimes really horrible things. But more often than not, whenever I decided to do the things that I thought wrong was going to happen, it actually ended up better, and my life overall is better because of it. Now, I will say this is not going to be easy. It's not perfect, and it is a constant challenge. But if things constantly come into your mind and you keep saying, what if things go wrong? What if things go wrong? Usually that's the thing that you actually want to try and see if things go right. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. And don't forget that things do go right. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.